Dollar Tree has put out all of the new spring and Easter things, and there are some really great new finds, plus some repeats from last year that I think are amazing. Hey, you guys, it's Christina from the Purple Alphabet, and I just got back from Dollar Tree, and I cannot wait to show you all of the new things that are in store and all the things that you need to look for right now. So today we're gonna do a shop with me at Dollar Tree so you can know exactly what you should be looking for when you go to Dollar Tree this week. So we're going to start off in the Easter section. I did show a little bit of this in my previous Dollar Tree video, so there are some things in that video that you're not going to see in this one, so highly recommend you go back and watch that. I'll put it in the corner. First off, we have some bunny feet here, which are little pieces of bunny feet that are really cute to use. We have the traditional hopping bunnies. This also comes in a chick. It's a wind-up toy. These are things that you would probably use for basket fillers. We have the card games. This time they're all Easter themes. There are 3 packs of cards in here. I'm not quite sure what the games are exactly. I might have to do a test on that. Then we have these really cute pencil sharpeners that are in the shape of bunnies. This is a multi-pack, so that would be great for a classroom gift. We have the self-inking stampers. You guys know we always see these at each and every holiday. It's a really cool find. And we have some of those whack balloons and bubbles. These are repeats at Dollar Tree every single year, so I'm not surprised to see these. And then we have some new games. I like this one that comes with 2. That carrot one is really cute. This is a straw set that has bunny shaped hearts in it, several in the package there. A hoops game that's new this year, and then also this ring toss. This one is inflatable where it has the bunny ears and the rings, and it looked to be a good size, and for $1.25 I think that might be a really good score. There were a lot of decorations. These were just kind of mixed in with all the toys, so I just wanted to point those out because they had some really pretty colors. They're like disco Easter eggs. Brand new find are these placemats. These would be really great for day of Easter. Has lots of different activities on there. It does not include the crayons. They also have a lot of activity books too. We always see these, so here's what they have this year. This one has stickers inside, which I think is kind of cool, and it comes in a couple different styles. And then we also have that really large one. If you like Pete the Cat, they had 2 different styles of those activity books that are also Easter themed too. Really great find. And then they have the traditional little activity pads here that we see traditionally every year at Dollar Tree. They did have some cute notebooks that were kind of a 3D textured effect on the outside. This one came in a few different styles. They're all spiral bound. Just a really cool find that I wanted to point out. I like the flower one the best. I did still see all the chalk sets at Dollar Tree. I showed these in the last video, so I just wanted to point out that they're still available. So if you're still looking for some of these things that I showed last time, definitely go and look. Look, there's even the cars that I showed last time that are chalk. A few craft kits. We have this bunny one here where you put all the pieces that they give you onto the bunny. They also brought out these little pom-pom craft kits too that make several in one package. I think they make 3. And then the painting sets this year are actually in the shape of Easter egg. This is actually new, and I like the Easter egg one the best. And of course, all of the stuffies are still available. Some of these actually make noises. And then Easter eggs, you guys. Lots of new Easter eggs and lots of repeats from last year. These are new, the little emoji poos, and they come in 2 different sets of colors. Then we have the seashells, which are a repeat, but this time they're an iridescent color, so that's also new. We have some glitter eggs, some little chicks down here, and then the bunnies, which are a repeat. Back again are the Lego Easter eggs. These are really cool and also great to use in additional activities after Easter. We have some rubber duck eggs too, which are really great, and then the remote controls. You could probably fit a lot of things inside these. These are a new find. I don't believe they had those last year. We see the sharks that are back and also some unicorns. But I do have to say, I think the dinosaurs are really cute. They also brought back the sports eggs and then the golden eggs too. Brand new this year are these cups. They have a lid and straw, and inside the lid there's a little shaker in there with some different Easter findings, like this little bunny. It came in a pink and then also this green one with eggs all over it. And then I found a whole box of these mystery things. I don't even know what's inside of here, but there are a couple different styles: a chick, an egg, a carrot, and it says that they're surprise balls. So they're like a paper mache and inside is a surprise. Don't know what the surprise is. Definitely should put this in a Dollar Tree toy test. This package of Easter erasers was really cute. Then we have the notepads, which is a repeat from last year. Little squishy pens. I like the carrot one the best. That's really cute. We have the stackable crayons where each one is a different color and you can switch them out. Some rings. These are new this year. Haven't seen those before. And then they had some really cute erasers. The chick coming out of the egg is one set. And then they had this other set down here, which are the carrots. These would also make great manipulatives. Then down here we have a set of Easter rings, which are really fun. And then of course the pencils. You can't have a Dollar Tree holiday without pencils. The pictures are really bad on this packaging, but these are pillow covers that are Easter themed, so you can just put them over an existing pillow that you have. And I really do like all these carrot burlap bags. Those are really cute. Brand new this year is this tic-tac-toe set. Usually we have the same standard one for the past 10 years. They have switched out to something new. I like this one a lot. I think it's a lot of fun. You can also use those as manipulatives in other activities. And then we have the jump ropes with the bunny ears, but I like the carrot one the best. Also found a bunny popper this time. And then we have down here at the bottom a whole bunch of the sports related Easter baskets. These are great. I love them all. They bring them back every single year. They did have some other styles of Easter baskets too. Lots of different styles, but these are all the plastic ones and they're pretty good size too. So you just have to find one that has the pattern you like on the outside. I like this one. It looks like a woven basket, but isn't. It's made out of plastic. We have these up here with some animals on them, dinosaurs. And then I found a whole entire section at another store with a whole bunch more, but I do have to point out these that are the more traditional ones. I think those are a really good find. They still have a lot of Easter headbands in, so these are all the different bunny ears, gingham prints, and furry ones too. Then we have the Easter egg dies. These are from the Dudley brand, and we see these every single year. You're just going to need to use some vinegar with these kits. Let's take a look at some of the Easter treats. I found a couple of different ones that were fun, like this little bouquet here. They also had some of the name brands in Easter themes too, which is kind of fun. And they just packaged them up with all the different Easter colors, so they looked really great in a basket. They did bring back the mini candy dispensers. We saw them for Valentine's Day, but here are the Easter ones. This is in the shape of a bunny head. They also have the Easter egg. These come in several different colors, but these always sell out so fast. These are great for really small candies like M&Ms or Skittles. New this year are these where you push the button and it opens it up to expose the lollipop in there. They have several different styles of heads on these: dinosaurs, unicorns, and sea animals. The party supplies were really cute this year. They had more of a traditional Peter Rabbit theme on it, so a very vintage style. They had treat buckets in 2 different sizes, these little plastic containers that were in the shape of eggs. These I showed you last time. They come in several different styles. There's 2 to a pack and they're acrylic. And then all of the paperware and plates, I really do like this blue one with the bunny. It's definitely giving Peter Rabbit. We have a few sets of playing cards. These are really good size. They're bigger than a deck of cards and they had 3 different styles in these. Then we get onto some of the books. These are Easter board books that have like a progressive picture going on there with the cutouts. This one has an egg as you read through the book, each one a different color. They also had one with the bunny, the exciting Easter, that looked like it had a carrot on the front, and then we have a unicorn one back here in the back. Now is definitely the time to find all of the very affordable kites. I found the kites in several different licensed characters, everything from Transformers to Mickey Mouse to Moana, so you can find a really good selection in here. Minions and Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Frozen, Paw Patrol even. There was even a Stitch one. Let's check out the Dollar Tree Plus section just for a second because they have some new name brand tie-dye kits. This is from Tulip. They come in 2 different styles. So this one's called the 2-minute tie-dye kit and it comes with everything you need, including 4 colors. It says it has enough to make 9 different projects, and these are the very bright and bold colors. Then up here on the top shelf, we have more of the pastel colors. They call this the ombre set, and this is a 1-step tie-dye kit. So the colors are a little bit more muted on this one, more of a pastel look, but each one of these is $5. Then over here, we have some foam number alphabet sets. There's 9 pieces in here and the centerpiece comes out. This is a pretty good find if you just want something really small, you don't want a full set. $5, I'd say that is a bargain. All right, let's head over to the health and beauty aisle, which I rarely do, but I wanted to check this out and show you because they had a whole bunch of Alice in Wonderland products. I know there's a lot of Disney fans out there, so I wanted to mention this. My store was 100% stocked on all of these lip products that had that branding on them. So if you're a fan of Alice in Wonderland, you might want to check that out. These are also really cool basket stuffers as well. Then we had these little lip gloss sets too that had all sorts of different flavors and really cute packaging. And a little pizza one or a Martian outer space theme. And then I found a whole display of these that look like desserts, and they have all flavors that are sweets related. Moving on to where all the toothpaste is, I do want to mention all of the different flossers they have right now. They had them in different themes: Barbie, Squishmallows, the Crayola Silly Scents, the Hot Wheels, and you can find all of these in Target or Walmart. We also have the packages of Grin, which are also at those bigger box stores. And if you are a Disney fan, definitely check out the kitchen section. I've been seeing a lot of different Disney related kitchen items, although I only found these placemats in my store, but these were still a bargain. They are 2 for $1.25 with the Disney character on them. I've also seen a lot of Disney pot holders and dish towels too. Definitely check the kitchen section to see what you might find there. Also, gardening is really big right now at Dollar Tree, and you're gonna find a lot of fairy garden stuff. This year, the fairies are much bigger than they have been in past years. So if you're into the fairy gardens, now is your chance to score some really, really cute items and bigger fairies. And I found a lot of bridges and fences and all kinds of really fun elements. I definitely like the pond with the ducks. I think that one is probably my favorite. These items do tend to sell really fast, so if you like the fairy gardens, you're gonna have to go to Dollar Tree this week. I definitely picked up a few things to test. I got them over here, so I'm gonna film that video next so you can see which things worked and which didn't. I have a bag full of stuff, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on that video and give me a thumbs up to show your love.